What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. I'm going to be attempting to install an aftermarket LED headlight for my 2006 Yamaha V-Star. Got this headlight off of Amazon for like 40 bucks, I want to say. It might have even been like 30. I'll leave a link to it on Amazon, or I'll leave a link to it in the description. I'm trying to freaking open this. Alright, so you open the box and we got some nice white gloves included. It's like you're buying a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or something. Very nice. For 30 bucks, I mean, I'll take it. This little card saying that vehicles with different bulb sizes, yeah, you have to make sure that it's compatible. And the other side is saying that some vehicles, you know, might have to get this decoder from them in case your light bulb is flickering or whatnot. Not sure what's in that bag. And then we have the actual headlight right here. So yeah, feels like good quality. Like I said, I think it was like 30 bucks. So gonna try and install this and show you guys how to do it. Alright, y'all, so try to bear with me. I'm in my garage at like 8 p.m. and there's not a lot of light over here, but I got the flash on. Hopefully you guys can see. So on this headlight casing right here, we have two just Phillips head screws, and then on the other side, if we come around, you got one more right here, and then another on the front there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those. That'll be the first step. Okay, so I went ahead and unscrewed those screws, and all I'm doing is just lifting up off this casing, and the casing is resting on these metal clips right here. And there is some springs right there on the sides. That's what those two screws right there on the front are for, to just keep it you know, tensioned in there. And then yeah, we got our headlight right here. So bear with me for 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna clean this rust out real quick and we'll be back at it. Okay, y'all, cleaned it up a little bit, looking a little better. And so this plug just straight up unplugs from the casing here. Yeah, that was it. It just slid right off. And let's go ahead and move over here. And so just gonna slide that rubber casing off. That was actually on backwards, I guess, because this was supposed to be at the top, but I don't think that really matters. Alright, and then, if my dog will get out of the way, this guy has a spring right here. So I'm trying to show you guys close up. So hopefully you guys can see that. That spring is being held under that little metal hook right there. And that's all that's really keeping it tensioned. And then you have this side under there going under that other hook, but let's just go ahead and pull that under there. That opens that. Then this turns like that. This thing just slides right out. Alright. And let me get the new bulb. Okay, y'all, here we are with the new bulb, and you can see on the top here that it has those three metal rectangles coming out, and we have these three holes right here, so it can really only fit in one way, like so. There we go. And then all you do is you take this little metal thing and you push it underneath this metal hook, like we did when we were taking it out initially. So push it down, 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 locks in right there, and there we are. So we're just gonna put this rubber thingy over it again, slide that back on. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on, and then we will reassemble it. Alright, and that's it, y'all. I mean, I literally just show you guys how to install the new headlight. You just plug it into the headlight connection, and then yeah, just reverse all the steps that I initially said. You just have to, one thing to note is that you do screw in these bottom screws first, those spring ones, because that pushes the headlight case back so that these screws line up. But yeah, I mean, that's literally it. Again, I'll leave a product link for that headlight in the description and show you guys it works. Bing. There we go. Got normal headlight right there. And then high beams. So, seems to work. Looks like we did it successfully. Super easy, y'all. If you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comments. I'll make sure I try to respond as speedily as possible. And yeah, that's gonna do it. Say bye, Suni. Bye. Thanks, guys.